Welcome to our channel. If you live or work abroad as a US citizen or resident, follow these step-by-step instructions to handle your international tax obligations correctly. Step 1. Understand that US citizens and residents must file tax returns reporting worldwide income regardless of where they live or where the income is earned. Step 2. Determine if you qualify for the foreign earned income exclusion, which allows you to exclude up to $126,500 of foreign earned income if you meet residency or physical presence tests. Step 3. Choose between the foreign earned income exclusion and foreign tax credit. The exclusion eliminates income from taxation, while the credit offsets US taxes with foreign taxes paid. Step 4. File Form 2555 to claim the foreign earned income exclusion, or Form 1116 for the foreign tax credit, depending on your chosen strategy. Step 5. Report foreign bank accounts by filing FinCEN Form 114 if your aggregate foreign account balances exceed $10,000 at any time during the year. Step 6. Complete Form 8938 if you have specified foreign financial assets exceeding reporting thresholds, which vary based on filing status and location. Step 7. Be aware of automatic 2-month filing extension for US taxpayers abroad, making your deadline June 15th without requesting an extension. Step 8. Consider the totalization agreements between the US and other countries that may affect Social Security taxes. Consult with an international tax specialist for complex situations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.